guys, we made some experiments. We made it. We have some baking soda in the bottle of Papa, and then some vinegar, and then in that container in the other container. And then we're going to put some baking soda in here, and also
Baking soda.
put that here. Put this here. Ano to, Papa?
Powder na siya.
Papa,
Baking soda powder.
ano? How can you use that? Is this alcohol a bottle?
Yeah.
Alcohol to ng bottle?
Yeah.
Ooh, because we done made mess. It's just we big mess.
Papa did a big mess.
Papa, why you make it a big mess?
Oh,
I think
Can happen.
dapat ano na lang, plato na lang para makita. Wag na chase, wag na.
No, stop. No. That's
I
enough.
can use it with my finger.
Yeah, I know. But you have to stop. Kasi mama will use this. Ano, ingredients to ng cake.
Tapos,
For my cake.
ganyan chase, di ba?
O, dali. Let's chase
Okay,
for the
tapos,
vinegar.
I did some
pour mo yung vinegar doon sa small hole. Pour
Dito.
mo.
I-shoot mo ha. Shoot.
Okay.
You have to
Pour mo.
shoot. You have
Slowly
to
lang,
shoot
ha?
it slowly. Be careful. Oh,
Slowly
yan. You
lang.
hold it. What happened?
Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari?
It's bubbling. Try it again.
Let's
Try it. Para ubusin.
Tara guys, ubus ang suka ko ah.
Yusin mo, hold mo.
Whoa!
What's that?
It's so smoky.
Smoky?
What happened?
Smoky? Sabihin mo, it's an acid-base reaction.
Yeah, let's try it again.
Patay, ubus ang
Try
suka.
again. Yeah, you try again.
Oh, you have to hold the bottle. You hold it.
Hold mo yung bottle. Uy,
Whoa!
I can try. Not good.
Oh, di nakaside sa butilya.
Sobrang ka-excited.
Ah. Ano yan?
That was cool.
That is
That's cool. Maybe you use some goggles. Yan yung potion mo?
Be careful ah, maulog ka.
Mama, I see bubbles small.
What's the smell?
It's vinegar of water.
Vinegar water? It's a vinegar. It's a vinegar.
Oh, what happened?
What happened?
It's gonna float. It's
It
like a
floats?
volcano. Because they're gonna put Mentos into the
Oh, Mentos.
Coca-Cola.
Okay, another. You use vinegar.
Mentos at saka ilagay sa Coca-Cola.
Hold mo kasi.
Tayo, ubos ng vinegar. Wala na. Wala na vinegar ko. Oh!
Yeah, that's finished.
That's your potion?
Yeah, because it's finished. Finished now.
Finish na, okay.
Finish na. Okay, we will pour some
What-
baking soda.
What can you say about the experiment?
Put
Baking
na,
soda is so cool. It's
Put ka
like
ng baking-
pang sugar yan.
put ka ng baking soda dyan sa may surface.
Oh, you hold the
this.
spoon.
Put ka ng baking soda sa
Then
may
you
surface.
pour it here. Be careful.
Sige, pour mo.
Dyan.
Kahit
Shoot.
saan dyan.
Can try it.
Oh, what happened to
It's
your
on dyan.
potion? Mama will help you. Oh no! What have we done? Nag-experiment na si kalbo. Galing ah!
Kia, that's a magic.
That's a magic.
It's an acid-base reaction.
Pagkita natin din sa camera.
Opo. You introduce the ingredients of your potion? What is this? What is this?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Ubus na ang baking soda. Wala kayo panglagay sa cake. Tarapan mo.
Woo! Magic!
O, tama na.
Wala na. Oh, that's enough.
Enough.
Oh no, naubos na yung baking soda ni
Wala,
mama at saka yung
ubos na.
vinegar. Oh, wala na panglagay sa ano.
Yeah, it's more nice. I want
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, let me see.
Oh, sige. Lagay mo yan doon. Lagay. Para maubos niya.
Careful.
Careful ha. Sige.
Sige, you can do it. You can do it. Kay bahoan kasi sa vinegar. Sabi ka, Megan, nagsuka-suka oh. Nakamig vinegar.
Ah, wala na siya kasi nag-react siya sa ano eh. Kunti.
Wow! What's that?
It's making too buffy.
Buffy. Buffy.
Bupi ka dyan.
Not too.
Wag mo itapon kasi ito yung ilagay natin sa dito para hindi siya malansa.
Ang mga ngamoy naman. Mga ngamoy maasim.
Yan na, yung pang ano sa sapatos eh.
Yan.
Pantanggal ng ano ng sapatos.
Yeah, kaya you use these all these colors.
Uy, ang ano pa? Ano yan? Lagyan niyo
Chani. It's
doon.
a chani. Oh, wag na.
Wow, wala na. Tapos na yung experiment.
Oh, ano?
What can you say about your experiment?
What have you observed?
Tata.
What have you observed? Ay,
What have you
observe mo. What have you observed? Sige nga, sabihin mo nga. What have you observed?
It makes that a volcano of ponds.
Sabi
Okay.
kayo.
Ito, what have you observed? Diyan, ano nakita mo?
Kasi it's coming. Woo!
Coming out like a volcano.
Yeah, look at this.
Volcano.
It's like lava.
Oh, it's like lava.
Ooh.
Okay, are you done?
What's happening?
What's happening? Are you done?
No, I'm not done yet.
Not done yet. What you gonna do?
Sige na, magkwento ka na. Kwento.
Ouch.
Let's skip it na.
Okay. Let's put it in the ref.
Uy,
Burma floor rings. Burma.
Hindi, itapon na lang natin to sa labas.
Okay.
tapos
It's a
na
potion
experiment.
para matanggal yung virus sa labas.
Burma. Hindi na tanggal. Hi guys. We have a baking soda, some vinegar,
What else?
and then a giant volcano. We have a tub over here, the plate,
Okay, what's
and
this?
the bottle.
What's this?
Vinegar,
No, what's this? Baking.
soda,
It's a
baking soda,
baking soda and it's a base.
base,
Base.
base.
Okay, this
Yeah,
is a
that's it.
this is a
Vinegar.
vinegar and it's an
You smell the vinegar, Chick. You
Acid.
smell the vinegar.
Acid.
acid.
That's the acid.
Okay, we will
Maasim
have
nga daw yan.
we will have to make an acid-base reaction,
Yeah,
ha?
let me use this one.
Okay, you use that. Use for cook.
Yeah, this one is for the eating for place. Makita ko, Papa, let me see.
Oh,
Let
okay.
me see.
Wait lang.
Papa, let me see.
Si Papa muna, tapos
You wait for your
The
turn.
baking soda.
sa baking soda, what color?
White.
White and it's powdered.
Yeah, what powder too?
Ha?
But who make it?
Ta, patay ka.
Factory. Siyempre.